Scene script. Are you struggling with hypertension? You're certainly not alone. In our bustling, fast-paced world, hypertension or high blood pressure has become a common adversary. It's a silent infiltrator, often showing no symptoms, yet it can lead to severe health issues like heart disease or stroke. It's estimated that around 1 billion people worldwide are grappling with this health challenge. Yet, amidst this struggle, there's a beacon of hope. The way we eat has a paramount impact on our blood pressure. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help manage hypertension. Cutting back on sodium, avoiding processed foods, and being mindful of portion sizes also plays a significant role. But what if I told you there's a diet specifically designed to combat hypertension? A diet that not only helps control your blood pressure, but also promotes overall health and well-being. Welcome to Pressure Down, the ultimate diet for hypertension. The Pressure Down diet is not just a set of meal plans, it's a lifestyle change. Picture this, a diet that doesn't just focus on what you can't have, but rather on what you can and should have. Intriguing, isn't it? At the heart of the Pressure Down diet is the idea of reducing sodium intake. Now you might be thinking, but isn't salt what makes food taste good? True, salt does enhance flavor, but it's not the only spice in the rack. There's a world of flavor out there waiting for you to explore, and the Pressure Down diet encourages you to do just that. Next, let's talk about fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. They are the mainstay of the Pressure Down diet. Imagine filling your plate with vibrant, fresh produce and lean, healthful proteins. Not only do these foods taste fantastic, but they also provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. But diet is just one piece of the puzzle. The Pressure Down diet also emphasizes the importance of regular physical activity. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a quick swim, or simply dancing to your favorite tunes, every bit of movement counts. It may seem challenging at first, but remember, it's not just about cutting things out, it's about adding in more of what's good for you. So embrace this lifestyle change, and let the Pressure Down diet lead you to a healthier, happier life. Now that you have a basic understanding of the Pressure Down diet, let's dive into how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. The first step is meal planning. You might be wondering, why do I need to plan my meals? Well, planning helps you stay on track and reduces the chances of reaching for unhealthy food options. So take some time each week to plan your meals around foods that are low in sodium and high in potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products. Next, we move to shopping for the right foods. When you're at the grocery store, focus on fresh foods and avoid processed ones as they often contain high amounts of sodium. Always read the nutrition labels to make sure you're making the healthiest choices. Now let's talk about meal preparation. Cooking at home gives you control over what goes into your food. Try using herbs, spices, and vinegar to flavor your meals instead of salt. Be adventurous and experiment with new recipes. It's all about making healthy eating enjoyable. Finally, I want to talk about staying motivated. Changing your diet can be challenging, especially in the beginning, but don't get discouraged. Set small, achievable goals for yourself and celebrate your progress. Keep a food journal to track your meals and how they make you feel. Find support from friends, family, or a diet buddy. Sharing your journey can make it more enjoyable and less daunting. And remember, it's okay to have a treat now and then. Deprivation is not the goal here. The goal is to create a healthier lifestyle that you can maintain in the long run. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and commitment, you can manage your hypertension and improve your overall health. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key points we've covered today. We've delved into the widespread issue of hypertension and explored the game-changing Pressure Down diet. This diet is a practical, step-by-step approach that empowers you to manage your hypertension more effectively. It's not just about what you eat, but how and when you eat it. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, your health is in your hands. Start your Pressure Down diet journey today and take control of your hypertension. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and advice.